Hey, this is Dan over at Walser Toyota, and today we're going to show you how to pair Apple CarPlay in your new Toyota. All right, we're going to show you how to pair your Apple CarPlay up to your new Toyota here. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Bluetooth setting on your Apple device is turned on. And once you do that, we're going to actually go into the phone menu on your vehicle screen here, and we're going to hit search for devices. And once we do that, we're going to actually be able to see your phone pop up on the screen here. We're going to click on that when your phone pops up. The vehicle is going to check your device, and you're going to get a code that confirms that the proper device is hooking up to your vehicle. So you want to make sure the code on your car and the code on your phone match. Once they do, you're going to hit pair on your phone and OK on the vehicle, and that's going to connect the two devices together for you. Once you do that, your phone's going to ask you for a couple of different permissions to allow your car to access. Make sure you allow those to get the full features out of your Apple CarPlay. And then you want to make sure that you set your phone as the primary device. What's great about Toyota is you can set multiple phones up in your car, but you always want to make sure you as the driver have the primary, so you can hit yes right on the screen there. And you're going to want to enable Apple CarPlay, so you're going to hit yes again on the screen. Once you do those two things, it will connect the two devices together via Apple CarPlay. And just like that, you have the full Apple CarPlay menu on your screen, including your maps, including your music, including your voice, and including your messages and settings to take care of all those things on your screen for you. Just that simple. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope we were able to help you get your phone set up in your new Toyota. If you have anything you need at all, please don't hesitate to stop by the store here. We're happy to help. Thanks.